Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes, take your attention to your breathing, just relax and observe the space around your head and expand. What if instead of trying to understand the situation you are in, you just allow yourself to expand and be the infinite being you truly are? When you try to understand a situation or a person, you make it bigger than you. And nothing can be bigger than you. You are an infinite being. You have a direct connection with so many powerful beings and with the universe. So just expand beyond the physical body, the room, the house, the city, the country, the world, the universe, and know that everything is inside of you. Allow yourself to connect with the universe. Allow yourself to connect with the universe and receive the universal energy. Let the divine white light flow from the universe to the top of your head, all the way through every cell of your body. Healing every cell of the body. And everywhere your body is asking for healing, let there be the sparkles of green light from Archangel Raphael. And let these sparkles heal your body. And everywhere you are healing, or your body is trying to heal other people, everywhere you are sucking pain and suffering, disease out of other people, allow your body to release it and surrender it to the divine white light. Oh, a lot of you doing that. Allow your body to release it. Release, release, release. and allow the divine green light to flow into your body from the universe and the angels, supplying it to you non-stop and flowing out of your body to the world around. What if you don't have to suck the problems and suffering of people into you? What if you can be the flow of energy and be the contribution to whoever who is willing to receive, knowing that you cannot force healing and transformation to anyone, as everyone choose for themselves. You cannot choose for anyone. You can only choose for yourself and inspire others. So allow your own healing to happen first. Be selfish with that regards. Take your attention to your physical body. Know that your body is your best friend in this reality. Everywhere you have abused your body, and everywhere that energy is still there in or around your body, allow it to release. Everywhere you have judged your body, everywhere you are forcing your body to eat what is not working for your body, or do anything that your body is not happy with, let it all release. And from the space of the expansive infinite being you are, connect with your body. And today, tell your body, body, talk to me. Tell me, what is it that you would like? What is it that you like to eat? Attract people, food, clothes, situations, environment to yourself. Out-create me to the things that are for you. For the things that are for you, I allow you to out-create me. Show me what kind of clothes would you like to wear. Show me what kind of food would you like to eat. Show me what kind of people you like. Show me what kind of environment you like. Let me have the awareness of all of that in a way that I can comprehend. You are my best friend in this life. I have chosen to have you to experience all the wonderful things, and together we can experience all the wonderful things. Show me how would you like to move, and we can have an awesome journey in this life together. And also show me all the hidden secrets, all the wonderful awarenesses of the universe. What is it that we can access together that we have not considered yet? From today, what if you take out 5 minutes, if not more, at least 5 minutes in a day, and just take your attention to your body, to your breath, and just sit or lie down, taking your attention to your body and your breath. Observing how your breath is coming in and going out. Begin the new connection with your breath. And through your breath, you can achieve it all. You can have it all. Observe your breath right now, how every breath is going in and coming out. And if you just take your attention to your breath, the more and more you observe your breath, the more and more awareness you can receive, more peace you can receive, more wisdom you can receive, more magic you can receive. Allow your attention to move away from the monkey mind, the chatter of the mind, to your breath. Instead of worrying about how something will happen in your life or what if it happens or not happen and all that, just take your attention to your breath and surrender all your worries to your angels. Your angels, along with the universe, are the architect of this reality. They created the world along with the universal power. And the powers that can create the planets, the galaxies in the universe, can create anything for you. You just have to trust. You just have to surrender. You just have to allow and receive. Just repeat with me. I allow the magic of the angels and the universe to flow into my life now. I allow the magic of the universe and the angels to flow into my life now. I allow the magic of the angels and the universe to flow into my life now. Thank the angels, thank the universe. Take your attention to your breathing, to your entire physical body. You can wiggle your hands and your feet now. Rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and slowly and gradually you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax, and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.